Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. In HTML5, which element is specifically designed to represent a scalar measurement within a known range or a fractional value? The correct answer is option B, meter. When using the A tag to link to an external site, which rel attribute value is recommended for security to prevent the new page from accessing the window.opener property? The correct answer is option A, nopener. Which HTML5 element is used to hold client-side content that is not to be rendered when a page is loaded, but may subsequently be instantiated during runtime using JavaScript? The correct answer is option C, template. Which attribute of the frame element is used to apply extra restrictions to the content in the frame, such as preventing scripts or forms from running? The correct answer is option D, sandbox. Which global attribute is used to provide a hint to the browser about what type of virtual keyboard configuration to use when a user edits an element? The correct answer is option A, input mode. To improve performance by delaying the loading of images that are not in the viewport, which attribute and value should be added to the img tag? The correct answer is option B, loading equals lazy. Which HTML element represents a part of a section that contains a summary, caption, or legend for the rest of the contents of the parent details element? The correct answer is option C, summary. In an A element, what does the download attribute do when present? The correct answer is option D. It prompts the user to save the linked resource instead of navigating to it. Which tag is used to specify a default URL and a default target for all links on a page? The correct answer is option A, base. The spellcheck attribute is a global attribute in HTML. Which of the following is true about its behavior? The correct answer is option B. It can be used on any editable element to enable or disable grammar/spelling checks. Which HTML element is used to represent a line break opportunity, a place where the browser can optionally break a line if needed? The correct answer is option C, WBR. Which attribute can be used to specify whether the content of an element should be translated or not when the page is localized? The correct answer is option D, translate. In the context of the tab index attribute, what is the effect of setting tab index equals 0 on a div element? The correct answer is option A. It allows the element to receive focus in the default navigation order. Which element should be used to group several options within a select drop-down list? The correct answer is option B, opgroup. When using input type equals file, which attribute allows the user to specify that they want to use the device's camera or microphone directly? The correct answer is option C, capture. Which HTML5 element represents the result of a calculation or user action? The correct answer is option D, output. Which attribute is used to define a unique identifier for an item in Microdata? The correct answer is option A, itemid. What is the primary purpose of the content editable attribute? The correct answer is option B, to specify that the content of an element is editable by the user. Which attribute is used with the script tag to indicate that the script should be fetched in parallel to parsing and evaluated as soon as it is available? The correct answer is option C, async. Which HTML element is used to provide multiple media resources for elements like video and audio, allowing the browser to choose the most compatible one? The correct answer is option D, source. Which attribute provides a shortcut key to activate or focus an element? The correct answer is option A, access key. Which tag is used to define text that is to be entered by a user, typically via a keyboard? The correct answer is option B, KBD. In the IMG element, what does the circsit attribute allow you to do? The correct answer is option C, provide a list of image sources for different display densities or sizes. Which element acts as a container for the visible content of a details element? The correct answer is option D, summary. The ping attribute on an A tag is used for which purpose? The correct answer is option A, to notify a specific URL when the link is clicked, auditing. Which attribute is used to specify the direction of text in an HTML element, e.g., left to right or right to left? The correct answer is option B, DR. On an OL, ordered list element, which attribute is used to indicate that the list items should be numbered in descending order? The correct answer is option C, reversed. Which attribute of the block quote or Q element is used to specify the URL of the source of the quotation? The correct answer is option D, cite. Which attribute of the time element is used to provide a machine-readable version of the date time? The correct answer is option A, datetime. Which attribute can be added to a select element to allow the user to select more than one option at a time? The correct answer is option B, multiple. Thank you for watching.